Wow! Let's go on a magical fruit color adventure!
A for apple. Red apple. Golden apple.
B for banana, yum yum yum. B for banana, yum yummy. B for banana, yummy.
C for cherry, small and sweet red.
Hee, yummy cherry!
A magical treat for us.
Let's share the cherry!
A perfect sea adventure.
D for dragon fruit.
Pink outside, white inside.
Wow, it's opening!
The pink skin opens to show the white part inside.
Yay! Thank you!
E for elderberry. Purple and juicy.
Yummy berries.
Oh, so juicy! More, please!
F for fig, soft and sweet. Wow, it's so soft.
G for grapes. So many colors.
Grapes! Oh, grapes!
Yes, green and purple grapes. G is for grapes.
H for honeydew, cool and fresh.
I for Indian fig. Bright and spiky.
J for jackfruit. Big and tasty. Big tasty.
K for kiwi. Fuzzy outside, green inside.
Wow, fuzzy. So cool. Look inside. Green. L for lemon, sour and yellow.
L is for lemon, sour and yellow. L for lemon, sour and yellow. Yay, sour and yellow.
Big Dan, smooth and yummy. R for raspberry, soft and red.
J for jackfruit. Big and tasty. Big tasty.
K for kiwi. Fuzzy outside, green inside.
Wow, fuzzy. So cool. Look inside. Green.
Q for quince. Golden yellow fruit.
Golden fruit.
Yes, a magical quince.
So sweet.
It's all for you. P for pineapple. Spiky and sweet.
Wow, a pineapple.
So spiky.
I'm Catch Pup. Orange Hunter.
Q for quince. Golden yellow fruit.
Golden fruit.
Yes, a magical quince.
So sweet.
It's all for you.
R for raspberry, soft and red.
S for strawberry.
Sweet and juicy.
Yummy strawberry. Yes, let's share.
T for tomato. Red. It's a big red tomato.
Tomato.
P for pineapple. Spiky and sweet.
Wow, a pineapple.
So spiky.
T for tomato. Red. It's a big red tomato.
Tomato.
U for ugly fruit.
Funny name, yummy taste. Y for yellow passion fruit.
Yay, pretty fruit.
Hey, fun treat. X for Shigwa. Another watermelon.
For me, share. Yummy.
W for watermelon.
Big and juicy.
Yes, a big magical watermelon. Let's take a bite, so. V for Boavanga, unique fruit.
Wow, so big.
V for Boavanga.
It's brown and bumpy.
Let's play with it.
Z for zucchini, green veggie fruit.
Yay, we learned ABC and colors.
Wow, look at the giraffe glow.
Yay, the fruits are dancing.
Let's let it fight.
Awesome.
Subscribe, like, and share Namamelon TV.